Welcome to the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, Washington, D.C. campus Canvas tutorial. My name is Monisola, and I will be taking you through a short Canvas tutorial. To start, please log on to community.chicagoschool.edu. This will bring you to our TCSPP community website. From this site, you'll be able to access your classes, Canvas, and other academic resources. To log in, you may log in on the top left, or you may use the quick link section where you can access and click onto Canvas. Once you're logged into Canvas, you'll immediately see your dashboard. Today, we'll be discussing account settings, the dashboard, courses, calendar, inbox, and lastly, the help section. To start, you have your account settings. You are able to adjust your notifications and profile at any time. You can update your name, add a picture, contact information, and biography. This will assist in getting to know your peers in your classes. Under notifications, you may also adjust your course activities and how you want to be notified. You can adjust so that your email comes directly to your personal email or your Chicago School email. Moving on to courses. Your courses will always be published in the active section. You may additionally add courses to your dashboard by clicking the star on the left-hand side. On your calendar, you will have all appointments listed from your courses. You may also change the setting to have a weekly view and then to set it up as an agenda. You may also add additional information to help in the success of the semester. Your inbox. You are able to inbox and email all students within your class. You may also inbox your instructor. You will go to the top left and click on the writing scroll. This will give you access to emails and any individuals that you would like to email within your classes. Lastly, the help section. If you ever have any issues with Canvas, you may reach out to Student Help Desk at any time, and there are also tutorial videos that will give you additional information on using Canvas. Lastly, if you run into any issues or encounter any problems with Canvas throughout the semester, you may reach out to DC Student Support. You will be assigned a counselor who will assist you with any questions that you may have. You may reach us at DC Student Services at thechicagoschool.edu.